Hello, hello. Okay, today is Thursday, 17 September 2020. Topic: the Tin Soldier. Performance: read page 16 to 21st. And we continue with our story. Okay. Remember that the Tin Soldier fall from the window. Remember that? And continue. Look, and I'm sorry. Here. Oh, wait, okay. I read for you. Two boys are walking nearly. They see the tin soldier and stop. Look, a tin soldier. He looks funny. Se ve chistoso. He has only one leg. Let's put him in our boat. Look, put the tin soldier in the boat. That is a great idea. Okay, here I read. They put the tin soldier in a little paper boat. Put the soldier in a little boat of paper. Okay? The boat is rocking from side to side, va de lado a lado. The tin soldier is holding his musket. Él lo único que hace es sostenerse. Oh no, I want to get out of here. The boat moves into the dark drain. Este es el desagüe, esta palabra es desagüe, donde van todas las aguas que se han utilizado en las casas. Entonces llegan a un lugar, se llama desagüe. The tin soldier is very scared. Él está muy asustado. There are mice everywhere. Hay ratones. Mouse es un ratón. Mice es muchos. Everywhere. They are looking at him. Where I am. I can't see anything. Where I am. ¿Dónde estoy? Where I am. I can't see. No puedo ver. Can't. I can't see anything. What that noise? ¿Qué es ese ruido? Who's there? ¿Quién está ahí? The boat is in the river now. It's turning and turning, and there is the water in. Porque viene así de un lado a otro. Mira, el agua se le está entrando. Oh no, the boat is sinking and I can't swim. Él no sabe nadar y el bote se está hundiendo. Oh, I want to back to my box. I'm my dancer. Lo único que él quiere, que desea, want, es regresar a su caja con su bailarín. Look that. Esta actividad la hacemos los niños que tengan el libro. Los demás no se preocupen. Don't worry about that. And this activity you can choose what happened in the story. Hay unas que son de la historia y otras que no. Entonces tú le colocas check a las que sí son and cross las que no son. Okay? And look, and you complete please this activity. Esta sí la puedes hacer en tu cuaderno sin necesidad de tener la cartilla. Because only you write the sentences. The scared, swimming, jumping, dancing. Okay? Remember that I asked you about the stories, okay? Recuerda que te pregunto luego sobre esta historia. Bye. See you.